Hey Darren, thanks for being here. Um,
Thanks,
so
Sage. Thanks for having me.
yeah. So just to introduce everyone, if you don't mind sharing who you are.
My name is Darren Roebuck. I'm a voice actor, and I've known Sage here for almost 4 years now.
Awesome. And how long have you been a customer?
Well, I guess I've been a customer since last October. That'd be October of 2021 was when we first signed the papers to get the ball rolling, and I have officially been generating clean solar electricity for about 3 weeks.
Awesome. Okay. And what made you decide to go solar initially?
Well, clean energy, and one is initially is environmental. I mean, that's so many people that's going to be their number one thing is just to try to protect this big ball in space we call home. And then beyond that is a little more local, which is energy security,
Hmm.
and wanting to be able to do want to make sure that I have my own ducks in a row when it comes to that, and not just rely on the powers that be. And then third is just didn't want to pay the power bill anymore. It's nice to be able to actually generate income from my own power plant.
That's awesome. Yeah, good feeling. um, well, cool. Thanks for sharing that. And what did you like about working with Sunbeam and Power?
Well, I guess there's a lot of things, but it all comes down to one thing, really, which was that it was just an absolutely smooth and seamless experience. They all, Sage and everybody, and there's been a lot of people involved, everybody knew exactly what they were doing. They could answer every question I asked. They met all the timelines or exceeded them. And actually, I was really impressed by how often the timelines were exceeded. Um, and I was never left with any feeling of frustration ever the entire time.
That's awesome to hear. Thank you. And now that you have solar, what's been your favorite part about having solar so far, since it's running the last few weeks?
Well, um, it's sort of an intangible and kind of difficult thing to explain, but when I threw the switch to turn that on, and even though it was like hit the switch and it's sort of like nothing happens, but
Yeah,
seeing the meter start to go the other way, and then to check the app every day and to see that I'm making power from my house, um, that gives me a huge sense of, I don't even want to say security. I mean, that is part of it, but the other is just feeling like I have something really cool. I'm trying to avoid the word powerful because I don't want to use the pun, but I mean, it's powerful to feel like to own a power plant.
yeah,
And, you think of solar, oh yeah, it's just panels on people's roofs. Do they look cool? I don't know. And then when you actually have it and it's generating power for you and it's doing something, that's a cool feeling that I have a hard time putting into words, but I love knowing that I'm doing all the good things. And then selfishly, I just love knowing the fact that I'm selling power to the power company. That's that may be the most punk rock thing I've ever done in my life.
love it. I love it. Well, really appreciate you sharing your experience and how it's been for you, Darren. Thanks for sharing with everyone else as well.
Hey man, thank you, Sage, and I really, honestly, really appreciate the great service and one hell of a cool solar system.
Awesome. Thank you.